नमस्कार. आजच्या बातमीपत्रामध्ये आपणा सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे. बघूयात आजच्या ठळक घडामोडी.
The efforts of a Friend in Need group, an organization dedicated to supporting the needy by distributing snacks and spreading joy. With 15 years of successful operations, the group organizes events that brings people together, reduce stress and foster a sense of community. Recently, the group hosted a ramp walk and singing event at Backstage Pub in Viman Nagar. The event saw participation from talented individuals including Vijay Lalwani, Bharat Punjabi and Bhagyashree Patil, Ranjana De, Hitesh Jagtada, Rutuja Bakshi, Chandrasekhar Diddi, Sanjay Lakshman Deshmukh, Leena Bhosle and Banu Arthunwala. Supporting partners like Vishal Patil, Shekhar Singh, Delia Maria, Bhumika Jain, Siddharth Neeta and Bobby Lahiri contributed to the event's success. Special thanks to host Soumya Sheikh and Vinayak Ghurpade for keeping the audience entertained. After the event, founder Madhu Vora distributed ration to the needy, thanking her team for their support. A Friend in Need group encourages more people to join their noble cause, promising a positive impact on their lives.
Eso pa'lante, 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 pa'lante. Ponme todo eso pa'lante, 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 pa'lante. Ponme todo eso pa'lante, pa'lante. Ponme todo eso pa'lante, pa'lante. Ponme todo eso pa'lante, 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 pa'lante. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exclusivo para acá, pues no se damos pelagato. Mami pico para acá, pues no se damos pelagato. Mami pide lo que quiere, si por cuarto yo lo gasto. Te he matado por un moquito y eso con pito le meto. Tuvo suerte un tempito, pero nunca tuve quito. A los líderes de promoción y a los focos no te doy. Porque mi música es barrial, soy tribón desde chiquito. Ahora me metí esta wiki y se lo voy a fundir a todito. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm Madhu Vora, founder of a Friend in Need group which is running for 15 years, and we have done different types of events. The main reason why I do these events is to make people happy, to bring a smile on their face, because it's very life has become very stressful and fast now. So people need a break. So this is the reason why I gather different people, so that it is something. And I did this program also because many people in our group have got good voices, and always getting something unique like is something exciting for people, because see, people come from Baner, they come from Pimpri, they come from everywhere. Sometimes also people come from Mumbai, because they know that I'm a very like patient admin, and my events always brings a change in their feelings and their thoughts, and it is something to learn. So no matter wherever I keep my events, whether it's Pune, Mumbai, now I will start pan India, but then too people will come, because people know that that this group is genuine, as it's running for 15 years. The founder is genuine, and also the members are very genuine. It's called a Friend in Need because we all help each other. Yeah, my upcoming program will be next is Kutch Pathar trip, because people are waiting for an outdoor trip, and now it's a rainy season, it's the right time to go. So my next will be Kutch Pathar, and we do different types of events. So after that we will then have a business meet after the Diwali. Every time it's different, because I go according to the situation and according to the people's needs, what they like, and what majority likes, I go by that.
So my name is Leena Bhosle. I'm a Punekar. So I was this group Friend in Need was introduced by Madhu to me, and I am really thankful to her, because it was really very nice. I like the people over here. It was my first time. I just came in just to see how it is. So people are really very nice, friendly, and I'm looking forward to be a part of any program, whatever they have arranged. And definitely, and I would also like to say that I own a firm which is matchmakers.com. So it is especially for the people who are looking for marriage. So
मेरा नाम सुमैया है और अ फ्रेंड इन नीड ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने की वजह बिकॉज मधु जी हेल्प करती है चैरिटी के लिए भी, सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड अपार्ट फ्रॉम गेट टुगेदर्स एंड इवेंट्स एंड बिजनेस मीट, शी ऑल्सो हेल्प्स द पुअर चिल्ड्रन एंड पुअर पीपल who are in need for food, for groceries. So that I really like the quality in her. So that's the reason I'm here, and to make beautiful friends from different parts of Pune. And yes, I run a firm which is Shehzadi Creation, which is under the Womania brand for women attires. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi, I'm Chandrasekhar, a software consultant. I have been associated with a Friend in Need group since 10 plus years. During this period, I have met Madhu, and because of her, I got chance to meet many friends. Madhu is not only making the friends come together, she is creating a network across India. She is not only making friends, and then what she is doing is, apart from our regular work, she is going to the different NGOs and contributing to their child's needs. That is a big plus from Madhu's group. There are many groups in Pune you must have seen, but this is one such unique group where you find something unique every time. This is today's example is one of the good example. Like she has arranged a karaoke plus fashion show, which is something good, and everyone has participated in this, and I feel very proud to be part of this group. Thank you.